Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into some XRP talk. Let's talk if XRP has formed that bottom and if we're set to see XRP's price possibly go on a little bit of a rally right now. We'll talk through some of the numbers and we'll look at the chart and then get you guys on your way. As always, guys, make sure you subscribe down below and please remember to smash that like button. Let's start off this week with some exciting, and the month, really, July 1st. It's coming so quick. Summer's flying. We're not even really fully in it, but it seems like June was a blur, and let's get into the crypto talk. So let's get it. Not financial advice. Please remember to do your own due diligence, and let's talk about some XRP on the charts. Dating back, I've talked about a lot of my videos but dating back since the mid part of May, we have been in this little ascending pattern right here since flashing momentum down on the trading indicator a little bit through, okay, the later part in April. This is something where we saw kind of what we were looking at within XRP, okay? This has been roughly about a little over 2 years, okay? 2 years time window where we've been steadily ascending, okay? But since back in April of 24 to where we're at right here, right now, as the first day of July is underway, we have flashed momentum down back in April. So I do use my indicator a lot of times on daily candles, kind of put everything into perspective, but still at this 47.8 level for XRP. It's kind of right where we need to be. It's very stable, waiting for that catalyst to come about. We're waiting for some clarity out of the courtroom, all that good stuff. But let's get into what we came to talk about, because I kind of agree with this piece that XRP will see 50 cents as we formed a cut bottom right now. Okay, so I know you guys are looking at it like XRP is basically a stable coin, all right, but this is a very bullish pattern that could possibly indicate higher price levels for XRP, also signifying that we have a rounded bottom. Okay, so that's kind of where selling pressure begins to lessen, and also we will see a couple other trends kind of pick up the slack as well and possibly get above that 200-day moving average, which is at 53 cents, and that's kind of where you can get into the overbought conditions and a lot better indicators that will sell. That the selling pressure will definitely be at a minimal. So that's kind of what we're looking at. That is the bottom in terms of what has formed in the cut bottom pattern. But more we need to talk about is the resistance level that's very much important for a rally to ensue. Okay, so we have failed to break out of that 48 cents resistance. Okay, and as we recover and look to get above kind of where we've been stable at these levels, but getting above this 48 cents line, right, you can start to see where and why this is important, okay? We talk about it in the trading view, and I know these are daily candles, but this is kind of that pattern, this range, okay? This is the midpoint of the range where XRP is very comfortable trading at, okay? It seems to be this is where the majority of the midpoint is, and it's around at that 51 cents level for me. So, you know, for a lot of traders out there, this is all negligible, okay? It really means nothing for them in the long-term view. The reason why we're kind of dormant and still kind of stable is the term I'm going to use a lot of times to describe XRP and what they do on the charts, because nobody wants to sell the technology. Nobody wants to get out of XRP fully, but nobody wants to buy more. Okay, we're kind of stuck in purgatory as we wait for the courthouse to kind of make their ruling, get that legal precedent, and then we can absolutely spread our wings and think about even testing recent and all-time highs. Okay, that's kind of the biggest thing that I think people forget is XRP. They had their run, but from where we're at right here, right now, versus then, it's really not that far off in the grand scheme of things, because XRP didn't get the 2020-21 bull run, okay? And, you know, as more catalysts continue to mount, we get more legal clarity. This is kind of where we're looking at it for the short to intermediate term. The high point, the more bullish point for me would be about 62, 63 cents. The midpoint for kind of where I hope we get back to is above that 52 or around 52 cents. And the low as we stand is about 46 cents for XRP. So that's kind of how I look at it. That's my range. I did want to share with you guys kind of my levels that I look for within my XRP, but that's kind of what we're looking at right now on the charts. So appreciate you guys watching this video. I wanted to share with you guys those numbers. If you do want to help the channel out, we do have a channel sponsor right here with Margex, leverage trading up to 100x, all of your favorite cryptos, no KYC, so make sure it's right for you and where you're located. But if you use my link down below in the description, you can register and claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. So if you want to get started trading with Margex on leverage today, link down below in the description. All right. But I thank you guys for watching. We're going to have XRP and all your favorite cryptos updated daily here on the channel. So make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. Thank you once more, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.